Hello. First, I'd like to greet all of our subscribers and those who are new to our channel. We recently underwent a name change from Scientists Warning to Facing Future. With that name change, we wanted to widen our focus from the warnings that science and scientists have been making to humanity for many years. Warnings that have gone largely unheeded as nations continually pursue the fantasy of unending economic growth at the expense of the well-being of their citizens and all of life on Earth. We've become associated with dire warnings for too long. We still believe that humanity faces a grim future if we fail to act immediately, both on climate change and on the other forms of ecological destruction which we inflict upon the Earth, both knowingly, unknowingly, and by our complicity and avoidance of the problems. So we've decided to broaden our scope. If you're here watching, you likely already understand the urgency of our situation, despite these continual warnings from scientists, which have been ignored time and again, barely with lip service and greenwash. We've decided to include in our repertoire the social sciences, arts, music, mathematics, politics, and yes, even humor at times, in our effort to get you, our viewers, to take action. Hope is a diminishing commodity of late, as areas like the Amazon and Siberian forests continue to set records for their burning year after year, just to name one dimension of the urgent signs in front of us. But as Greta Thunberg, whom I had the pleasure of introducing to the international press at the UN climate talks in Poland, said to us, "Some people say there is no hope, but when you act, hope is everywhere." So we will be shifting our focus somewhat to those actions which can be taken on all levels: personal, family, neighborhood, village, town, or city, region, nation, and international. When we act, then hope is everywhere. Today, we will introduce some bittersweet hope in the form of music. The song you're about to hear was made famous some years ago by Bette Midler, but we've uncovered a performance of it by the woman who wrote it, Julie Gold. Join us as we present Julie's rendition in New York City in 2011 at a celebration of singers, songwriters, and performers. May it provide a cause for reflection, inspire a change of heart and mind, and most of all, inspire you to act. Thank you.
A long night. Thank you, though. From a distance, the world looks blue and green, and the snow-capped mountains white. From a distance, the ocean meets the stream, and the eagle takes to flight. From a distance, there is harmony, and it echoes through the land. It's the voice of hope, it's the voice of peace, it's the voice of every man. From a distance, we all have enough, and no one is in need. There are no guns, no bombs, no It's